Welcome. In this updated guide, we will discuss how to fix Twitter camera problems. Follow these top ways to troubleshoot and resolve camera issues on Twitter. 1. Check Twitter camera permission. Ensure that Twitter has permission to access your device's camera. Go to your device settings and grant camera access to Twitter to enable smooth camera functionality. 2. Close background apps. Using the camera. Close any background apps that may be using the camera simultaneously with Twitter. Conflicting camera usage can cause issues, so closing other apps can help resolve the problem. 3. Force close Twitter. Force close the Twitter app and then reopen it. This action can refresh the app's functions and potentially resolve camera-related issues. 4. Clear Twitter cache data. Clearing the cache data of the Twitter app can help eliminate any temporary files or data that might be causing camera problems. This process can improve the overall performance of the app. 5. Free up storage space. Ensure that your device has enough available storage space for the camera to function properly on Twitter. Deleting unnecessary files can create room for camera operations. 6. Update Twitter. Make sure to update the Twitter app to the latest version available. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can address camera issues and enhance performance. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Twitter camera problems, capture and share moments seamlessly on Twitter by addressing these common camera-related issues. Thank you for watching, and we hope these solutions help you enjoy a smooth camera experience on Twitter.